Hey, thank you for joining my channel again. I have got a little mod. It's sort of not a very big mod, I'm sorry. Sorry to all my Jeep guys out there that are looking for 40s or 38s, axle swaps. I don't have that yet. I don't have the money. So I'm just doing little tiny things right now. This one is basically a replacement mod. I wouldn't even call this a mod. This is just a replacement part. So I had bought, when I first bought my Gladiator, one of the first things I did was I got rid of the gigantic antenna, which just flops around and knocks everything out. I got that really cool 50 cal bullet from Ronin. Unfortunately, for some reason, it turned blue. I don't know why. It was black and then it went blue. Hence the blue. But no, I don't know why it went blue. So I talked to Ronin. They were really nice. They were really, really nice. And they said, hey man, that's really weird. We'll send you out a replacement. I said, sure. I said, but this time, maybe not the 50 cal. Maybe can we go with like that really, really small, there's a really small one that they have on their website. I'll put a link in the video once I'm done, but there's a really small one they had. I'm like, yeah, no problem. We'll send it to you. It's cheaper, but no worries. I said, thank you. I appreciate that. So they sent it out. And then what came in the mail was this. That is not the small one. This is just like a 12-inch rubber one, which I'll try on and we'll look at it together and see what it looks like. But that's the 12-inch that they sent me. So I had to email them back, and then they sent me the replacement for the replacement. So let's open both of these up. Let's look at them together. We'll put them on the truck. We'll see what they look like. You guys tell me which one you like better. And again, I'll put the links, to Ronin on my comment section. All right, let's get to it. Let's unbox this stuff. All right, so without further ado, let's open these guys up. I don't even think I need my knife on this one. No, I don't. So, without further ado, let's open the easy one here.
A few minutes later.
The 12-inch rubber. Boop-a-doo. That's pretty cool. So that's nice. It comes in with that so you don't get it wrecked. That's pretty cool. All right. And then we'll try. Let's open this guy up here. Don't know if I need any of these things, but hey, I got the knife out, so let's try it. Whoa, easy refunds, returns, and exchanges. Okay, well, they were really easy to do the exchange. And really nice, so I can't get mad at that. Whoa, that, my friend, is a tiny aerial. That's cool. No rubber. Oh, was there rubber? Nope, there was no rubber on the end of that one. So let's just trade these off because I don't want this one to get damaged. This is the one I'm probably going to go with. Okay, so let's just put these here for now, and let's put them on the truck. Hey, just a little additional note to this video I'm shooting right now with my 50 cal aerial. So when I was taking my 50 cal aerial off the Jeep, this little guy right here. So part of it goes into here, right? And then part of it goes into the Jeep of itself, the vehicle. Well, when I went to take it off, it took the 50 cal off the screw. Let's just see if you can. Off the screw and left the screw in the Jeep, like in the thing, and I couldn't get it off. I could not take it off. So what I ended up doing was taking the whole aerial mount off the vehicle, putting it in a vice grip, and then getting it off so I could get this thing out, because I didn't need this in the Jeep. I needed the new one that came with either or of the antenna mount. But when I was taking it off, the only way to get it off was to get a screwdriver pried in a little plastic cover. And I destroyed this cover. I'll show you in a second, but I destroyed the cover. So what I had to do, I had to spend more money for a mod that wasn't really a mod, but something I should have done anyways. I had to buy a new cover. So I went to Amazon. I thought I could just grab a nice little plastic cover, like a new one, which are like cheap. They're like 15 bucks or whatever on Amazon. But they're like 2 or 3 months away for some reason. I don't know why. So I had to buy like some aluminum one that was beautiful and pretty, and I don't really care about that. I just wanted to put a cover over the aerial part. But I had to spend like 30 bucks to buy like this aluminum one. Anyway, So it'll be like a two-part video. It'll be me opening up this aluminum thing I had to buy to cover the aerial, which I had to break off pretty much so I could get to the mod that I didn't really have to do because I bought it, it turned blue and it was black when I bought, anyways. It's just like a Jeep. Everything that you touch on a Jeep leads to something else. Anyone who has a Jeep knows what I'm talking about. You go out to do a really easy mod or just add something, you know, to the Jeep really quickly. It usually is like 2 or 3 times the time to do it, and you end up spending more money to do it. Anyways, we'll continue with this install, but now the install is taking on another install on top of the install. So let's open this up together, and then we'll finally get out to the Jeep. I'll take everything off, I'll put on the new aerials, you can see what it looks like, and then you can go from there. Thanks. All right, so let's open this sucker up. Even though it's still a tear, it's nice to use the knife. Makes me feel more like a man. Boom. Well, of course it's from China, like everything else in the world today. Gives you new screws, which again I don't really want, because that's gonna make it might rust, it might corrode, who knows, but I need them. Unless I can somehow fit the stock ones. And there is the cover. Just your basic aluminum cover, look at that, and the paint is already coming off. Perfect, beautiful. So we'll throw this on, we'll get the aerial on, and then Bob's your uncle. All right, so as you can see here, it's already been like destroyed from the first time I took it off. So we'll just grab it and pull it off without, there we go. Off. We use a socket with an 8mm to take these bolts off. Just be careful not to scratch the Jeep when you're doing this. There we go, all 3 out. All right, so we'll just put this aluminum one over top of us. Here's the new bolts that it comes with. Just gotta line them up. And again, we're just gonna use a 4 hex. Not sure if these are supposed to be better with the aluminum, I'm not sure, but we'll put these on. Got a wasp in the shot. Perfect, there we go. Okay, all right, get the fuck out of here. Don't want to over crank these on the aluminum, but at the same time I don't want it to be loose. Okay, that seems tight. That seems tight. Perfect. All right, so there you go. So that's on. All right, so here we go. So we'll get this guy on first so you can take a look-see at it. So that's what that would look like there. All right, so here's that little aluminum guy. This is the one I'm probably gonna end up using. So let's get this guy on here. There we go. That is on there good. All right. There we go. All right, so there it is all done up and on there. I think this is the one I'm gonna leave on there. It's just nice and small. Just makes it look, although I'm not a big fan of this thing, I just wanted the regular thing, but I broke mine. So now I have to have this weird, gigantic aluminum thing on the side of my truck. But what are you gonna do? That's why you should plan things out better and not break stuff. Anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.